Is this device doctor? And today, I'll show you how to print from your phone using Wi-Fi Direct on the HP LaserJet M428.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
As you can see, we're working with the HP LaserJet M428 printer. First, turn on the printer and wait a moment until it's fully ready. Swipe down on the printer's tap screen to open the main settings menu. Tap on the Wi-Fi Direct icon to access its settings. Tap the settings icon in the lower corner of the screen. Now, enable Wi-Fi Direct by switching it. Next, set the connection method to automatic for easier pairing. Now you can easily see the printer's name and password right on the screen. Next, go to your phone's Wi-Fi settings, find the printer's name, and enter the password to connect. Now just choose the file you want to print. Then tap the Print button or the printer icon. From the Select a Printer section, choose your HP printer from the list. After selecting your printer, adjust your print settings and hit Print. For the best experience, we recommend using the HP Smart app. It works much better than printing directly from your phone's gallery or file manager. And that's how easy it is to print from your phone using Wi-Fi Direct on the HP LaserJet M428. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.